Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have a really cute envelope here. This is from SpotDrop in Canada and I have done a video on them before and they accidentally sent me the wrong package. So this, I believe, will be the correct package. Too funny. So Tammy, thanks so much for your support. Your purchase made our day and I hope this mail brightens yours. Keep in touch with Instagram. And she's at SpotDrop Bookmarks. And join our Facebook group at SpotDrop. So how sweet is this? You know I love it. And then this says, happiness is enjoying the little things in life. Very cute. So all I did was send her a little note showing her what I got and then what I ordered. And she was like, oh my goodness, I must have sent your package to the wrong person. Let me get another one out in the mail. So she did, and didn't take any time, and here it is. And look at this. This is a cute sticker, but it's like a patch. That is really cute. And then this is cute too. It says hustle, believe, and conquer. That's awesome. Great words. And this looks like it's one of the freebies, and I think those might have been freebies too. I'm not positive, but I don't think I ordered. I'm almost positive this is, and I don't think I ordered this. So I'm almost 100% positive these are freebies, and 95% sure that one is. So, but look how cute this is with the little hippo. Buy groceries, happy mail, garbage day, laundry, tidy time, payday, plan. Just really cute. And here is a full page of garbage day and tidy time and buy groceries. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. The days of the week. And you can put the date in the circle. My goodness. I really need to look and see what I purchased and what was included, because these are so cute. This is adorable. I love this. The hippo is too stinking cute. Look at this. He's saying that's how I feel about today. And cute little snowman, glasses on. And these are adorable little, I don't know, like dividers or however you want to use them. Oh, and these are planner stickers that you can fold. So you stick this one onto the page, you fold this one over, this one gets stuck onto the back of this one, and then this one gets stuck onto the back of this one. So then you can open it up, and it's super cute. You'll have to watch my Plan With Me's and I'll use it. And these are some, like to-do lists or whatever, but these also fold. So this one folds down over that, so I can make a list of things that maybe I don't want everybody to see. And these are really cute. These are teacher stickers. So these are for my daughter. Little lesson plans. I think they're going to be for my daughter. They're so cute. I could use them for something, but I'll try to remember to give them to her, or maybe I'll buy new ones for her. And these are little list trackers, which I use at work a lot. And these are just cute little dividers too. Anything with the critters on them, I love. And these were so cute. I thought these would be cute for road trips. And anything to make cleaning a little bit more fun. I'm marking it in my calendar. And then these say me time. And these have the hippo with coffee or tea or hot cocoa. And then here he is again with hot coffee or tea or hot cocoa. Oh, she said, thank you so much for your patience. And I'm sure she included some extra things in there. I think I showed you that. So this is cute. It says stay cozy, and he's in pajamas and has slippers on. A little eye thing, sleep mask. And I guess it's a she because she has a bow in her hair. Oh, how cute. And then I love the little snowflake planners. Oh my goodness. And here he is knitting, or she is knitting. And little post-it notes. And little peekaboos. And this one says create. And this is another foldable one that has him in a cloud. And these are Halloween-y, but I couldn't help it. Look how cute those are. Oh my gosh, he's green. And then it has candy corn teeth. Oh my gosh. And then here are some checklists. And these are really cute too. Ooh, and then this one says top secret, and you fold it over. That's so cute. I love it. Oh, and here's another fold over with beautiful flowers. And I got 2 of those. And then, oh, this is page, like tabs. You can fold it over the tab for whatever you want in your book. And it says monthly goals, work, family, fitness, to buy, weekly budget, projects, lists, to do, contacts. How cute is that? And I got 2 of those, which is smart because I might need them. Those are adorable. Oh, I can't wait to use them. So this was definitely worth the wait, and you don't have to thank me twice for my patience. I mean, it was definitely worth the wait, and they are so cute, and I hope that you guys check them out. And if you do, tell them that TT.Scraps sent you. Again, this is SpotDrop, and I found her on Etsy. And I will leave a link to her shop down below. But oh my goodness, I am loving these. I really can't tell you how cute they are. I'm sure they are cuter in person than you can see on there, but they are adorable, and I love them. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.